Are you tired of wasting time jumping between apps just to get one simple task done? Meet Yourware, the AI-powered web builder that transforms your text descriptions into fully functional websites. Create, deploy, and share your site with a custom URL, all for free. Let's explore how it works. Introducing Yourware, an all-in-one solution designed for professionals, creators, and anyone looking to elevate their workflow with speed, simplicity, and enhanced productivity. Whether you're managing a business, creating content, or organizing personal projects, Yourware simplifies and streamlines your digital tasks, empowering you to unlock your full potential. Productivity shouldn't be complicated. It should be seamless. It should be intuitive. It should be Yourware. Let's get started and experience the difference today. You can find the link in the description below or simply search Yourware on Google to visit the official website. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to get started. For instance, I'll demonstrate a game that was generated by this platform. I didn't create it manually. I provided a small snippet of code, and Yourware took care of the rest, generating the full game automatically. On the home page, you can select the type of project you'd like to create, whether it's a game, tool, or even a website. Enter your idea or a simple line of code, and your intelligent engine instantly generates clean, organized, and fully functional code for you. You can click here to preview the project, and if you want to make any changes, just click on Edit and write your idea here. From here, you can publish your project, whatever it may be, and copy the link to share your idea or project with others. If you have an existing HTML, TSX, CSS, or JS file or folder, you can upload it directly to the platform. You can even leverage advanced tools like ChatGPT or Gemini for inspiration and assistance in generating your code. Let me show you how it works. All I did was provide a basic concept, and within seconds, Yourware generated the full code for the game. And yes, the game is functional and runs right here in the browser. No complex setups, no external software required. Simply paste your code, hit run, and start interacting with your project immediately. For more extensive projects like building a website, Yourware has you covered. For example, I entered a request to build a live chat website with login features and contact details. The platform generated the necessary code for me in moments. Once you have your code, simply copy it into your preferred editor, and you're ready to go. Click Ship It, and Yourware delivers everything you need: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all fully optimized and ready for deployment. Feel free to copy the generated link and share it. If you're not satisfied with the look or want to make adjustments, you can click Boost to regenerate or manually tweak the code. Explore other ideas and projects shared by users within the community section of the platform, where innovation never stops. Whether you're just starting or looking to speed up your workflow, Yourware is the perfect tool for both beginners and experts alike. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and start exploring the endless possibilities with Yourware. Generate games, build websites, experiment with new ideas. The potential is limitless. Create smarter, work faster, achieve more with Yourware.